Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I want to say welcome to Natalie Couture events, online, Instagram, live DIY every Wednesday at 11 o'clock. So I don't know, it's actually like after 12. It's 12:17. It's an hour and 17 minutes after, and I'm just coming on. There's a reason, and a really good reason, too. Okay, so this morning I was having a little bit of technical difficulties, so I ran to the store real quick to get my phone fixed. But I end up having to get like a brand new phone, and guys, so I wanted to get the best of the best. So I hope right now I look like the most gorgeous girl, most gorgeous lady on the planet right now. But so, because I got the best of the best phone. But anyway, so I got the best of the best, but I got back to the office, and guess what? I did not know how to set up the phone or use the phone, so I had to come back here and wait again on the customer service to actually help me set the phone up. So it's been a very, very, very interesting morning. And the good thing is I'm here. You're here. You're gonna be getting to see this. So live DIY. I'm gonna tell you why I started it. It's something I kind of started during the pandemic. It's just kind of my way to keep a balance from just being home doing nothing. All events are shut down. You cannot have no events with more than 10 people for indoor and no more than 25 for outdoors, and in the state of North Carolina. And I'm actually living in Charlotte, North Carolina. So yeah, so I started doing this so it can be like a balance for me, so I can still be doing my stuff. I'm actually doing this in the office and all that amazing stuff. So like you see, I got new equipment. I have a new phone. I got a new tripod. You're actually up top, so you can actually look down. And I think with this phone, I can actually record it landscape, and then when you look at it, it's gonna be normal. It's not gonna be twisted or anything. So that's a good thing to know. Okay. Again, I do want to apologize for not being able to log on at 11 today. I'm sorry. But next week, we're going to be logging on at 11 o'clock. And next week, I have something special. It's for my bling. If you like bling, if you're a female that like bling, or you're just a male that like bling, you like to give your female bling too. So it's for everybody. Bling is for everybody. Man blind bling, woman love bling, 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 bling. So I'm going to be doing like a bling, a glam, a DIY glam bling team next week. So today I'm going to be using some of my favorite colors that I love working with while I'm doing design, and it's yellow, mint, and rose gold. I absolutely love those three colors. I just love working with those three colors. It just does something to me. Like, look at the yellow. Look how happy you look back there. Yellow just makes you feel happy, look happy, everything happy about yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This video is going to be up for you guys to look at. So you can look at it on your lunch break. Probably when you go home and you got nothing else to do, you just look at it. Just something to look at during the pandemic. So I went ahead and put on the tablecloth. So I have a mint tablecloth here. I have a mint tablecloth here, and then I have my centerpieces. I put up a placemat. Like I said, you can get these in the craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, AC Moores. They sell those. So I went ahead and get these. This one just for the middle, and I'm using 3 candle holders, different heights, to kind of like, you see your candles in different heights. And then I'm using these little vase you can pick up at a dollar store. And what I did, I sprayed everything. I sprayed them all. I just recognized, I was like, I'm going this way with my hand going that way, but the camera is flipped, so yeah, that's why. But anyway, so I sprayed everything in rose gold, and that's why I have a rose gold color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put up my my chargers, and we're gonna be using the rose gold chargers that we used last week. So how everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. And just taking care of themselves, you know. Guys, we have to take care of ourselves, you know. If we don't take care of ourselves, we cannot take care of the people around us. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't even worry about what's going on tomorrow or the next day. I hope I did not. I hope that was still recording. For some reason, it was like on things. So I guess I have to periodically look at it to see if it's still recording. So, but like I was saying, I told my cousins they need to just do whatever they need to do to get through all this because you just gotta do what's best for you, you know. Nobody else, just for you. And I was telling my cousins, like, you know, I just live day by day. I don't worry about the weekend. I don't worry about the next day. Like today is Wednesday, and I'm only focused on Wednesday. I don't focus on anything else than Wednesday. I'm not worried about nothing else. My son leave for college on Sunday. I'm not even thinking about it. You know, I'm just focused on today, getting through today. You know, getting through today, living every day, day by day. You know, no rush, no nothing. Nobody can judge you. You gotta do whatever you gotta do for yourself, right? We gonna be using those rose gold silverware again. And you're right. Somebody just said, "Oh, you said it wrong." Yeah, I did say it wrong, but you know, yeah, you know what I meant. So remember, your knife and your forks go. Your knife goes on your right side, so you can use your right hand to cut. And also be like, well, we're not all right-handed, but that's just kind of the universal way for this, okay? I didn't make and somebody's trying to call me. And like I said, this is a new phone, new everything, so I'm not even sure if it's taping. Let's just hope it taped right at the end. Right, guys? Right? We just gonna hope y'all worked out right. Yep. So we're gonna be doing all these. So like I said, you know, sometimes you plan your day and you know you have your day all planned out and you're like, yay, I'm gonna be winning today, but then you actually go outside and it's not how you envision it in your mind. It's a whole nother something. You know, it's just a whole nother something. You know, you just have to deal with other things, you know, and should you get mad? No, there's nothing to get mad about. Nothing to get mad about. You just gotta enjoy the process and everything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the napkins. I already fold the napkins and put on the I folded napkins, put on the napkin rings, cause it's just a basic fold like we've been doing before, and I was doing that while I was waiting on customer service on the phone. So I just felt like I should have been doing something, and I'm just sitting there waiting. So I just went ahead and do the napkins. And if this is your first time watching this video, if you go back to the previous videos, you're gonna see how we come up with this fold. It's just a basic fold, nothing major. Okay. Sometimes if I have a lot of events in like 1 week or something, I will actually pre-fold my napkins or let my assistant pre-fold my napkins, you know, before I let my assistant pre-fold my napkins before we get to the venue, so that way when we at the venue we don't have so much to do, we can get it done. I normally don't do more than one events in the same day, but moving forward, events are starting to be smaller and more, so now I'll be able to do more than one. I know some people are happy for that, because some people, they call me and you can hear the disappointment in their voice when I tell them, like, I'm already booked, yeah. So, hey, how are you? Are you enjoying the big city? Are you enjoying the big city? I'm getting a late start today. I had some phone issues, but I'm here and I'm getting it done every Wednesday like I promised. All right, and this is today's look. Like I said, it's some of my favorite colors. Some of my favorite colors that I love working with. So yeah, we have the rose gold, we have the mint, and the yellow. Those were my favorite colors. So this is today's look. And again, I am so sorry that I was not able to log on at 11. But guess what? Moving forward, we have better equipments, right? Better equipments. And everything else is going to be like, somebody say there's no such thing as perfect. But I want to say moving forward, it's going to be perfect. We have good equipment, good tripod and everything else. You can actually look down. I can actually flip it around, do like this, like this. So yeah, I think moving forward, we're in a good place. So I'm not really gonna be mad about being late, but I'm kind of disappointed I'm late, because I don't like being late. I really value other people's time. I think people, you even logging on and watching the video with me every week means a lot to me, because time is everything, and you're dedicating and investing your time to log on to look at the video means a lot. So I don't want people to think like, oh my god, I log on and she didn't even log on. There was no way for me to like make a post or send a message, because the old phone was disconnected while I was still trying to figure out this new phone. But yeah, so thank you guys. The video is gonna be on the YouTube channel. It's gonna be on Instagram also. And what else? Oh, and those of you that got design in a box last week, thank you. I have one for this week, and I'm gonna send it out. I thought about probably taking pictures of the design that I put in the box before I send it out and sharing with you guys, but I didn't know how the client was gonna feel. So I don't like to post everything on social media, because I feel like if I'm having a party and it's private, I don't want it to be on social media. So I did not share those looks with you. But what I'm gonna do, I'll probably do maybe like a demo or something, and I will show you exactly how it's gonna be, put it in a box, show you how you're gonna get it and how you're gonna set it up and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for that as well. And those of you that keep asking me, how can you help support if I'm doing okay and all that during the pandemic, how you can help me, right? You can help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, following me on Instagram, following me on Facebook, sharing my business pages with your friends and associate guys. So yes, so I can say, oh, okay, I can say, hey, okay, send me yeah girl, I need $100. But when you send me that $100, that's like a quick fix. But if you supporting me by sharing my business to your following and your audience, that's helping me more than you sending me $100. I appreciate you sharing my business more than you giving me like $100. Like, to be honest with you, like, this is no joke, no nothing, because I spend money in marketing as well. So marketing is something really, really important to me. I believe in marketing. And 90% of my clients is actually like people refer them to me or something. So that's why I keep telling you guys, you wanna support me, you wanna help me out, just keep sharing my business. That's all I ask for. I ain't ask for no money. I'm not putting up no cash app on here every week saying send me no money. I'm saying it's just like, share, and share my business with everybody else. So with that being said, thank you so much and continue being safe. Wear your mask, guys. If you're not wearing your mask, still be wise about it. Those of you that's going out and hanging out, please be wise about it too. We gotta look out for ourselves and each other. If you see your friends kind of acting crazy, you need to pull them up and be like, hey, why you not? So don't be afraid. And guys, go ahead and have an awesome day. And I'll see you guys next week. Next week, we're going to be doing bling. So those of you that like bling, it's going to be all blinged out. Trust me. Bling, bling, bling. Like bling, 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 bling. So one of my cousin name is Bling. I'm going to tag her too. She can't miss this one. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.